Here's an assembly video for your Ebgo bike. Please note that this video is a visual guide to help assemble the Aura model bike. Make sure to consult both the owner's manual and the assembly guide before using the bike. Before every ride, check that all components are properly secured and that your bike is safe and in good working condition, as well as all components. If you are unsure, consult a professional bike shop. To begin assembly, open the box. Cut the ties holding the different parts to the bike. Remove the wheel. Lay the box on its side and slide the bike out of the box. You may remove the cardboard, the derailleur protector, the fork protector, and the front brake protector. Do not touch the brake levers until the wheel is installed. Remove the protectors from the front wheel. In your toolkit, you will find the quick-release skewer, your pedals, and the necessary tools. Warning: never touch the brake disc with your hands. There's a risk of injury and reducing braking performance. Handle the wheel only by the tire or hub. Any fingerprints, oil, or grease on the disc will reduce braking efficiency. Unscrew the end of the quick-release skewer. Remove one of the two springs and insert the skewer from the disc side. Place one spring on each side of the wheel. The narrow end of each spring must face inward toward the wheel. To install the front wheel, have a second person hold the bike upright and stable. Fully open the quick-release lever. Lift the front of the bike. Guide the wheel into the fork. The disc must slide freely between the brake pads. The axle must drop fully into the fork dropouts. Visually check that the axle is evenly inserted on both sides. This next step is very important. Hold the nut and tighten the lever by turning it. Close the lever upward without touching the fork. You should feel firm resistance halfway through closing. You should use some force to secure the wheel properly. As a reference, you may press until you see a slight imprint in the palm of your hand. While tightening the quick release, ensure the bike is upright so the wheel aligns properly in the fork. Check that the lever is completely closed and does not touch any other part, fork or cable. Reposition if necessary. You can now place the bike on its kickstand. At this stage, remove all cardboard. Remove the faceplate from the stem. Place the handlebar into the stem. And reinstall the faceplate by tightening the 4 bolts evenly. Make sure the handlebar is centered left to right and set at the desired angle. You may now insert the rubber cap. To check that the handlebar is tight enough, stand in front of the bike as shown and attempt to twist the handlebar. It should not rotate relative to the wheel. If it does, tighten the 2 bolts on the side of the stem. Important: check before every ride that the handlebar is securely fastened. Now make sure all cables are properly connected to the display. For a video on basic adjustment and positioning, you can find it on our YouTube channel. Now for pedal installation. Identify the right pedal, marked R, and the left pedal, marked L. The right pedal corresponds to your right leg side. Thread the right pedal clockwise and tighten firmly using a 15mm pedal wrench. Thread the left pedal counterclockwise. Install the seat and tightly close the quick release. Your battery is currently in sleep mode. To activate it, press the power button for 1 second. On some battery generations, you must press for 15 seconds to wake it. Note that your battery will automatically enter deep sleep mode when not in use to extend its lifespan. For example, if the charge is very low, the battery may enter sleep mode after a few hours, or even a few minutes of inactivity. If needed, refer to the sleep mode video. Now, inflate your tires to the pressure indicated on the tire sidewall. In this case, 40 to 65 psi. Safety checks before each ride. Lift the front of the bike and spin the wheel. Straddle the bike, apply the front brake, and gently rock the bike forward. Confirm there is no looseness or movement. If you are unsure about the assembly or adjustment of your bike, contact us or a professional mechanic. Have a great ride.